Okay guys, meron tayong opening dito na sa yung opening, check lang nga guys Ito may opening dito sa Result CX, no? Financial account, earn 20k plus bonus 5k. So ayan yung offer niya, no? Project based lang to, ibig sabihin na pwedeng 3 months lang ganun, tapos na yung kontrata, no? Financial account CSR project base. Yan sa results yan, no? So qualification, syempre at least high school diploma for all curriculum, SHS for new curriculum mo, may paganyan-ganyan pa sila, no? At least 6 months of direct customer service or sales experience is required. Okay, no? Tapos previous experience in